Hey, I wanted to show you guys how I deleted my EGR and hacked the check engine light from coming on every time I go on the highway. Because ever since I did the V8 swap, I never bothered to put the EGR valve back in. So what I did, those of you who don't know, an EGR valve reduces emissions. But I don't care about that. So I took an old brake pad and I made a flat plate right here where I'm pointing. There's a flat plate that's blocking the EGR ports, right? So every time I went on the highway, the check engine light would come on and it would say EGR circuit malfunction or some bullshit. So today I decided to hack it. I found this wiring diagram. If you look at the EGR valve over here, it's actually EGR solenoid, but same difference. It gets 12 volts fused anytime the ignition key is on, and under light load, the computer grounds this orange wire. So I didn't want to go out and buy a new EGR valve. So what I did, let's go inside. I found the 12 volt wire is this white wire. I back probed it to the 12 volt wire that goes into the computer. And then I back probed the ground wire that goes to the EGR valve. And I ran these two wires to my old test light. So it's essentially fooling the computer. The computer now thinks that there's an EGR valve in the circuit because it's just a simple 12 volt circuit from 1993. As long as it sees a load, it thinks there's an EGR valve. So now when I took it on the highway, the check engine light doesn't come on, and it's actually hilarious. Every time you press the throttle, the light turns on because it's commanding the EGR valve to open. So shout out to JD who told me, you don't need no EGR valve. So it drives fine, and no more check engine light. So peace out.
Yeah.